This is going to be a quick video on how to disassemble a TOZ-99 22 rifle carbine. First, safety check, empty. Then you press on this button here and remove the cross pin. Then take out the recoil spring, a striker spring, pull the bolt back, turn the bolt handle 90 degrees, remove it, take away 2 recoil springs, then remove the bolt itself, take away the striker and the sear. To reassemble, all the procedure is repeated in reverse order. Press on the sear, insert it back until the bolt handle can be reinserted. Then pull the bolt back a bit, reinsert the recoil springs, and then press on the striker spring, compress it, reinsert it, and reinstall the cross pin. The rifle is reassembled.